Hello guys, if this video does not motivate you, then I do not know what will. I am going to motivate you. By the end of this video, you will be motivated. So watch till the end. You can learn anything right now. On the internet, you can just go online and you can learn to code. Whichever language you want, you can learn right now. You can actually go to Skillshare, Udemy, CBT Nuggets. All of these websites have learning resources on there. You can also buy books that are ebooks. You can even get them for free from anywhere, from eBay, secondhand. You can do whatever you want. It doesn't matter whatever limits you have, get rid of them right now. No more limits. You can learn anything. Also, another thing, be grateful for that internet that you have right now, because there are people around the world who do not have internet. How are you watching this video? You have some kind of direct or indirect access to the internet, which is a huge resource. Before that, there was no online access to information like on this scale. Before, you had to go to the library and you had to look for the books in the shelves and find them and look around for an hour and flick through the pages. But now you have immediate access. If I want to learn how to write a function in Python, which is a programming language, all I have to do is a simple Google search, and that's it. You can get a computer, any computer. This is my next point. You can get a simple computer like this, and you can also get a simple computer like this, and you can run code on there. You can literally write any language on your computer. You can upload it to the cloud. You can get a trial license for AWS or Azure or any of those cloud platforms, or you can actually pay for it, which is just a tiny bit less than the price of a few cups of coffee every month. You can upload your code on there and you can run it and you can test it. You can learn the language. There is no excuse. There is no excuse. As Mahad the Motivator, I want to motivate you to stop making excuses. You can learn anything. Okay, next point. You have to analyze yourself and find out what your goals are. You have to think and find out, what do I want to learn? Which programming language do I want to learn? Make this year your year. You have to find out what you want and then work towards that. Okay, next point. My final point of this video. You have to choose between two things, two pains. The pain of discipline or the pain of regret. Regretting that you didn't put enough work in, or discipline, working hard and actually having self-control and hard work to get to your goals. If this video has motivated you even a bit, make sure you leave a like and subscribe and comment down below any thoughts that you have. Do you think the pain of regret or the pain of discipline? Which one do you think is worse? I'll see you guys next time.